Now the first step in installing your panels will be to do the ceiling first. So you start on the building wall with no trim at all and put your first panel up in place and fasten it. Now once the first panel is installed, we're ready to install the second panel. Once the ceiling panels are installed, you're ready to install the inside corner, which will go up against the ceiling panels that you just installed. Now at the floor, we install a J-trim along the bottom of the wall. We use a spacer, in this case a 1/2-inch piece of plywood, to get us off the floor a little bit so that the water can run away. Now prior to putting your bottom J-trim on near the floor, take a 1/4-inch drill bit and drill a few weep holes to allow the J-trim to weep out. Now we're ready to install the first wall panel. Here we're using a P1300 and we're going to start in the corner. Now we need to put the panel into the bottom J-trim and into the top inside corner. So there's several ways to do this, but basically using a putty knife, we'll start in the bottom and install the panel in the bottom, and then we'll get it into the top trim. The next step is to level the first panel. Once it's leveled, then you can fasten it to the wall. Now because the interlock is fairly snug, sometimes you can use a wooden block to tap the new panel into place, as such. Now once we have one wall done, we're ready to put the inside corner in and then continue down the second wall, as such. Now once we have the inside corner in place, we're ready to go down the second wall. And in this situation we're going to put on a P2400 or 24-inch panel.